Hey, what's going on, guys? The video you're about to watch, I originally shot for my course, Madcam Marketing, but I wanted to share it with you because I think it's really important. I think so many times, everyone is trying to make money online. They're trying to get rich so fast, and yeah, you can get rich online. That certainly is possible. But one of the biggest inflection points for me, where I went from making $3,000–4,000 a month to really absolutely crushing it online, was when I was able to quit my job. And one of the easiest ways to quit your job quickly is by starting what I call a bridge business. Leverage high yield situations and produce a high return by offering something of high perceived value that you can charge clients $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for, but cost you very little in the way of time and maintenance. So that's what this video is all about. I hope you enjoy it. Hey there, so not long ago, I was thinking about ways I could make Madcam Marketing 2.0 better. I'm fully invested in this course. Everything up until this point in the course is exactly what I do to create business after business. It's what allowed me to quit my job. It's what allowed me to have the multiple six-figure income. It's what allows me to have those $50,000 months. So I stand behind it 100%. So if there's anything I can do to make this course better, I am 100% all in. And it wasn't long ago I was thinking about inflection points. Points in my life since I started this quest to be financially independent, become an online internet marketer, all those things. I came up with two inflection points. There's three really, but two major ones. The first inflection point, which I'm not really going to talk about, was when I made that first dollar online. Once I made that first dollar online, that's when I knew it was possible. That gave me the confidence. Once you have that belief that you can do it, that's when things start to happen. You need that confidence, because protecting the confidence is so important in entrepreneurship, in building your business. It's key. So that's the first major inflection point. The second major inflection point was when I learned that really the key to making money online, building a business, is just really learning how you can follow your passion and help other people who share your passion. And that's really what the ABC content funnel, everything that leads up prior to this lesson in the course, that's what it's really all about. That's what the foundation is. It's about building your brand, building your business around your passion, around your expertise, helping people, inspiring others, and really building something great that can quite easily become a multi-million-dollar business. It's the only way that I know that average folks like me and you can really go out there and aim to someday build a $1 million business. There's other ways, obviously, but to me, this seems like the most fun. And really, that theory in my spare time was able to get me to that couple $1,000 a month income. And it was great, but the fact of the matter is the ABC content funnel formula takes time. And some people will just be fine with that. They're willing to invest the time. I spent an hour and a half every single day. I've carved out an hour and a half every single day, even with a full-time job working 40, 50, 60 hours a week. Even with a newborn baby, all those things, I still found the time to carve out that time to build the business and build the life with the ABC content funnel. But the second inflection point for me, or the final inflection point for me so far to this point, was really when I was finally able to quit my job and do this internet marketing thing full time. That's when I went from maybe making $3,000, $4,000, maybe $5,000 a month, to the point where I was having those $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 months. And it really, once I was able to quit my job and focus on this full time, it happened much more quickly than you can imagine, that next jump. Because when you're carving out an hour and a half a day, you kind of get in that panic mode sometimes. You're trying to get so much done, and you're just trying to do task, 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 task. And once again, it's great. You can make it happen. It will work. Stick with it. Work hard. This is building a business. This is building a dream life. This is respect the process, respect what you're trying to do, and you'll be okay with the effort. But, other people, once you get to that point where you can quit your job, then you can focus on the long term even more, and you can build out longer, lengthy projects. And those are the longer, lengthy projects and systems that make the jump possible and what make it happen more quickly. So at some point, some people, not everybody's going to want to go this route. I went the invest the time route. Some people, you know, they may want the money more quickly to free up their time to build out their ABC content in order to achieve the dream life. So the best way that I know how to do that is to build what I call a bridge business. A bridge business is a business that allows you to walk away from your job, have a little bit of time freedom, quit your second job if you have two jobs, hire a babysitter if you're a single parent or something along those lines, or you have two parents working. Whatever it is, it gives you that extra income quickly to help free up your time to build out the ABC content formula, to build your brand and do it the right way so you end up having your dream life someday. And this bridge business could be something as simple as an extra $1,000 or $2,000 a month, or it could be, you know, the minimum amount of income you need to survive so you can walk away from your job, whether that's $5,000 a month, you know, $60,000 a year income, whatever it is that you need. That's what the bridge business is, the amount of money you need to free up your time to build everything out the right way so you can have your dream life. The key to the bridge business, though, is it has to provide the money without sucking all of your time. So it has to be quick. It has to be high leverage. Basically, you have to be able to sell things with a high perceived value without much resistance and without investing a lot of time implementing it after the sale has made. Because once again, the key to the bridge business here is not to provide your dream life. The key to the bridge business is to free up the time so you can work on the ABC content formula, so that you can build out that content funnel, which is your brand, which gives you the dream life where you wake up every day doing what you love and making a good amount of money doing it. Your bridge business is not designed to go to your dream life, but it allows you to free up your time more quickly and hopefully move things along. Now, the bridge business I'm going to talk about is probably what I think is the easiest way to make $50,000, $60,000 a year with minimal effort. When I say minimal effort, I think it realistically, in the beginning, can be done for less than 30 hours a week. I think I could do it in less than 10 hours a week, but I also have a lot more experience. But the point is, there's not a lot of work after the implementation. And once again, that's the key of the bridge business. Other people are gonna, this is not for everybody. Some people are gonna see what I'm about to talk about right now and the lessons that follow this introduction and think, I can't do it, there's no way, and that's fine too. But the bridge business that, let me pull this down, make sure I don't pull both of them, I wanna talk about right now, and the bridge business that I lay out in the next, I believe it's 8 or 9 videos of this course, is what I'm gonna call an easy agency. And I say it's easy agency because it's going to leverage the 2 easiest traffic forms. And what I mean by that is you're not actually generating any new traffic, you're just leveraging existing traffic. And that easiest way to make money is to go to a business that is already making money and show them how they can make more money without spending a bunch more money, creating a bunch of content, or basically reinventing the wheel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start what we call an easy agency, where we provide marketing services to businesses in areas they can gather high leverage but are overlooking. You would be surprised how many businesses, and I'm not just talking small mom and pop shops, I'm talking about how many big businesses that are in your area, that are in your country, that are accessible online, that you can contact the CEO or the owner. They have the cash to generate more clients, more sales with these 2 high leverage points, but they're not doing it. So there's plenty of opportunity here. And let me go ahead and paint a picture here for you. The business is going to have a website. Okay, this is the business's website right here. It's already established. We are not promising to build better websites. We're not reinventing the wheel because that's going to take too much time, too many headaches on the back end, too many design issues. But what this website is going to have is it's going to have traffic coming in. If they have a business that's successful, you know, they're going to have traffic coming in. And in this, you know, the next videos, of course, I'm going to show you how to assess whether, you know, these businesses are good candidates in that as well. But right now I'm just explaining the concept here. So they're going to have traffic coming in. But what happens is, out of all this traffic that's coming into this website, only a little bit follows through and actually makes the client money, or your potential client money, their business money. See, what happens is 90%, if not more, of the traffic that's hitting this website is bouncing off and going somewhere else. Probably end up going to competitors' websites. They're not going through and buying because the website itself is set up inefficiently. So basically, we're going to follow 2 leverage points, and your agency is going to provide these 2 marketing tactics that provide the highest return, and that's what I'm going to show you in the following videos. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to install a lead capture on their website. Very easy to do, very cost efficient to run this. It doesn't have to create a ton of work for you. You'll see how you can get a lead capture up on their website. Super simple. What this is going to do is allow you to capture a lot more of these leads that are bouncing off, and then, of course, as you may guess, follow up with email. So right there, those lead captures and follow-ups are going to increase conversions, because the easiest way for an existing business to make more money is not by generating more traffic by any means. It's by taking the existing traffic and getting more of it to come through to the sale. And when you do it with a lead capture and an email follow-up series, it's virtually free. So that's way number 1, that you are going to be able to promise these businesses more clients, more sales without spending more money. And that's the key. This is what's going to get businesses to want to listen to you. This is what's going to get businesses to want to pay you money, because everyone can sell them the solution. Here, you got to invest X amount of dollars in this. You need new website design. You know, that happens all the time. These businesses get sold all these things, and you're just going to say, hey, you really don't have to do anything except get more traffic to come through, purchase your products, which means more sales and more money with minimal investment, no major redesigns. So that's area number 1 that we're going to leverage this. Area number 2 we're going to leverage this is with Facebook ads. And we're not running major Facebook advertising campaigns. See, this is what most people are going to sell them. They want to manage their social media, and that's going to involve major ad spend to drive more traffic to their website, only to get more traffic essentially bouncing off their website and maybe one more sale through. Okay? Businesses are tired of hearing this. We are not going to run any advertising to the front end of this website, okay? All we are going to do is we are going to do a simple retargeting ad. And the retargeting ad that I'm going to show you, super simple to set up, does not cost the client a lot of money, maybe $100, $200, $300 a month in ad spend. It's going to produce amazing results. In my business, this produces anywhere from 7 to 11x return on ad spend. I'm going to show you how to set up this retargeting ad. It's a very simple testimonial carousel follow-up ad. So when you tell these clients that all they have to do is spend a couple $100 in retargeting, super easy for you to set up. Way easy. I mean, you can get this set up in like 15, 20 minutes, and after you make sure you get the pixel and everything in place. And then all you're doing is going to run these ads. These ads are going to run on autopilot on a minimum ad spend, maybe 10 bucks a day. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring all these people that bounced off back to their products. And trust me when I tell you this, this ad works. So all you're going to do is promise these 2 things. You are not going to say, hey, listen, 2,500 bucks now, 2,500 bucks a month. You are not looking for these retainers. You're looking for front end sales, because the churn rate, no one talks about the churn rate in advertising agency work. Clients drop off when you're charging them $2,500 a month. It's crazy how much churn rate there is. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little bit higher ticket up front. You're gonna say, hey, listen, I'll charge you $3,500 to get this all set up. After that, you're only gonna have a $100 per month retainer, and that's just gonna be so you can pay for your autoresponder, and we'll talk about that in the next 6 or 7 or 8 videos that we have down there. And your ad spend, and you determine that. If you want to turn it off 1 month, no problem. If you want to bump it up to $500 a month, no problem. You can either handle that for them or show them how to do it. Either way, once this is all set up, it pretty much runs on autopilot. You do this, you sell 2 a month, and you're making $7,000 a month. Plus you're getting a little retainer, which we're not even really worried about. $7,000 a month, making 2 sales a month, implementing this whole process. Like I said, maybe 15 hours to implement one. So working 30 hours a month to make $7,000 a month. I don't know, maybe, potentially, perhaps. But I can tell you from my experience, this is gonna be the easiest way to build that bridge business. Let's get right into it. Let's look at the following lessons. Let me guide you through the process. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. That is exactly what I would do if I was starting from scratch right now. I'd start off, I'd build my bridge business using that model. If you want to learn exactly how to do it, go ahead and check out madcammarketing.com. I teach you how to do it. And if you want to learn more about the ABC content funnel, which is what I use to build my dream life, there is a video. I link it in the description below. It's on YouTube. You don't have to opt in. You can just go watch it right now. It breaks down my ABC content funnel. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Look for more great training coming to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.